Ecclestone M, closely related to Zambesi and It's the Business. Ecclestone M was bred out of the valuable mare Calvaro Z, who has performed on international 145 level with Matthijs van Asten and has already foaled Leon Tyson's international 145 level horse Ibiza Z, as well as the KWPN approved 1.40 m jumping stallion Zambesi. This line leads in the second generation back to the 150 level competing mare Arlanda, who has also foaled the well-known international 160 jumping horse It's the Business of Jeff Glassard. This valuable performance family is here combined with a well-producing Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Echo van Spieveld.